everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Avery, and this is Avery's World. Today I'll be doing a special unboxing video. I'm actually doing a jewelry swap with another channel called Moonstone Mamas. I'll be linking their information down below so you can see what I sent them, and also so you can check out their channel. Here we go! So for the jewelry swap, we decided to exchange 5 items. And, oh my goodness, candy! Yes! I'm seeing some awesome stuff in here already. Cool! So if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. And if you enjoy watching this video, give it a thumbs up. I mostly do clothing and jewelry hauls, and I'm a reseller on Poshmark and Mercari. Okay, you guys. Let's start with this awesome ring pop. It's my favorite flavor, strawberry. Yes! This is a cute card. Oops, something fell out. Let's take a look. Oh, this is such a sweet card. Thank you, Moonstone Mamas. Thank you, Devin and Jamie. Cool. Okay, so here's their information, and just to remind you, I linked all of their information down below so you can check out their channel. Okay, so let's get started. We're going to start with our first piece, which is a costume item. And if I can just get into the bag. Okay, so we have beautiful beaded necklace, and I think these are glass beads, but I'm not sure. And I like how there are different colors and sizes here and shapes. That's really cool. Very nice. Okay, so let's go to our next item, which is a sterling piece. And it looks really cool. Wait till you guys see this. Wow, this is really pretty, you guys. I love the pearls, and I love how the silver is done. I love the workmanship. And it's a brooch, and I think you can also put it on like a choker if you want. That's really cool. Very pretty. Okay, so our next piece is a natural stone item. Okay, I love the color already. Right off the bat, I'm looking at that blue. Wow, you guys, this is so cute. And it has some weight to it too. Very nice. Now, I'm not sure if it's lapis lazuli or if it's satellite, but either way, it's really pretty. Very nice. Okay, let's go on to our next piece. This is a vintage item. And I see an extra bag in here, so that was very nice of the Moonstone Mamas. Thank you again. Cool. I love the color of these beads. So pretty. And I like the clasps too. Really nice. Very pretty. Okay, so let's take a look at the earrings. They look like clip-ons. That's really cool. I love that they're flowers. That's pretty. Really cool. Really like the blue centers. And I think they would go really nicely with the necklace. Let's turn them over. I think you could pair them with the this blue necklace too, because of the blue centers. I think that would be really nice. Okay, so we have our last bag here, which is supposed to be an odd piece. Okay, so let's see if I can get them out of the bag. There are 2 items in here. And our first item looks like, oh, this is so cute. I think my mom's gonna want this one. That's cool. Very pretty. Okay. And now we have our final item. Let's see if I can get it out. Oops. Okay, so I think this is a natural bone necklace. It's very interesting and unique. I like it. Very cool. Okay. So, if I had to choose a favorite, I think that I would choose the blue necklace because I just love the color. Okay, you guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you, Moonstone Mamas, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.